Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have an Ember mug, then you definitely need a charger. And sometimes you need to replace your charger, or maybe you want to have an extra one in another place in your house. So that is what we do. We keep an extra charger in our office so that we're able to charge our Ember mugs no matter where we are, especially when we're working from home. So this allows you to keep your Ember mug topped up on its battery life so you can sip your coffee all day long. You can take as long as you want and it's still going to remain hot. So this charger works with these little contacts here at the bottom, and that works with your Ember mug ring here. And so when you place it on, it meets those contacts and it is going to charge. If the battery is totally dead, it takes about 2 hours to charge it back up. And then of course your Ember mug will give you the indicator light whether it is done or not. So this is a great thing to have for charging up your mug. It has a nice rubber bottom so it doesn't skid on the surface that you have it on. It's super sleek and it's not an eyesore at all. It looks really nice on the desk or on the counter, wherever you're using it. So would definitely recommend this charger, and that's my point of view.